Craving something rich, gooey, and chocolatey, but don't want to spend hours baking? This chocolate fudge mug cake is your quick fix for that dessert craving. It's decadent, eggless, and ready in just minutes. Pure chocolate bliss made right in your favorite mug. The best part? You only need a few pantry staples, a spoon, and your microwave. No oven, no mixer, just instant fudge happiness. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft base. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor, 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten things up, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so it rises, and just a pinch of salt to balance the richness. Whisk everything together until well combined. You want an even mix so your cake stays fluffy and fudgy. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, or oil if you prefer, for that silky texture. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavor, and add 3 tablespoons of milk for moisture. Stir it all together until you get a smooth, thick batter. Fold in 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon milk. A smooth batter gives you that perfect soft cake texture after microwaving. Microwave your mug cake on medium-high for about 60 seconds. Let your cake cool for a minute so it sets into that perfect warm fudge texture. Then top it with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for that hot and cold contrast. And there you go, a rich, indulgent chocolate fudge mug cake that's soft, gooey, and ready before you can even preheat the oven. Perfect for those late-night chocolate cravings or when you just need a little extra sweetness in your day. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.